Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Coal bed methane blocks for auction, IREDA's solar auction based on viability gap funding, update on solar related tenders. Coming to the details. In an attempt to raise domestic oil and gas production to cut reliance on imports, the Government of India is offering coal bed methane blocks for extraction of gas from coal seams. Directorate General of Hydrocarbons under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has invited tenders for allocation of coal bed methane blocks. This is the first CBM bid round in more than a decade. The last round was held in 2010 in which 29 blocks were awarded. Bids under this special CBM bid round 2021 are due on February 20, 2022. The total 15 blocks under Category 3 basins that hold prospective resources to be explored and discovered are there for auction. 5 coal bed methane blocks have been offered in Madhya Pradesh, 2 blocks each in Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Odisha, 3 blocks are in Chhattisgarh and 1 in West Bengal. Under the current CBM round, bidders offering to do maximum exploration work will be awarded the block. CBM is a gas or methane found below coal seams in coal fields. It is similar to natural gas and can be used as a fuel to fire power plants, run fertilizer units, or be used as a CNG in automobiles. Companies are invited to bid for exploration, development, and monetization of 15 CBM blocks likely to contain both conventional and/or unconventional hydrocarbon resources distributed in the sedimentary basins of India. In January this year, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency has invited tenders for 5 GW of grid-connected solar projects under Central Public Sector Undertaking Program. The permissible viability gap funding limit for the tender was 5.5 million rupees per megawatt and the tariff was capped at 2 rupees 45 paisa per unit. NTPC won the largest capacity of 1990 megawatt, quoting a viability gap funding amount of 4.495 million per megawatt. SJVN won a capacity of 1000 megawatt, quoting 4.472 million per megawatt as VGF. NHPC also won capacity of 1000 megawatt with a VGF amount of 4.49 million per megawatt. NLC India won 510 megawatt by quoting 4.474 million per megawatt and IRCON International won 500 megawatt quoting 4.494 million per megawatt. The maximum time allowed for commissioning the project is 36 months from the date of issuance of letter of award. According to IREDA, 50% of VGF would be released once the contract is awarded to the EPC contractor by the developer. The developer must sign the EPC agreement within 12 months from the issuance of letter of award. The Indian Synthetic Rubber Private Limited, a joint venture of Indian Oil Corporation, Taiwan Synthetic Rubber and Marubeni Corporation, has invited bids for installation and commissioning of 2,918 kilowatt of rooftop solar systems at its manufacturing facility in Panipat, Haryana. The last date to submit the bids is October 9, 2021. The Hindustan Petroleum Corporation has invited bids to develop a 1.3 megawatt ground-mounted solar project at its Yediyuru receiving station in Tumakuru district of Karnataka. The last date to submit the bids is 13th October 2021. Gujarat State Electricity Corporation has issued an e-tender inviting consultancy services to verify the designs and drawings of 25 solar photovoltaic projects. The projects with capacities of 10 megawatt to 100 megawatt are located near Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation, wasteland across Gujarat. The last date for submitting the tender is October 7, 2021. Additional news today. NHPC's 510 megawatt Teesta 5 power station Sikkim conferred with Blue Planet prize by International Hydropower Association. Singareni Collieries to set up pilot geothermal power generation project of 20 kilowatt in Telangana by March 2022. Santaldi thermal power station of West Bengal stands first with highest plant load factor of 92.79% for the period of April to August 2021 as per Central Electricity Authority. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 236.57 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details are: Price discovered during night 4 rupees 38 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 4 rupees 1 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 10 rupees 54 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 5 rupees 87 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 5 rupees 79 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.